we've welded the boathouse. I've now got a boot. I've welded a patch plate in the top already. That was done a while ago now.
Those holes all in that bit. So
What?
whole
You look at the inside.
Oh, yeah,
The inside's not done yet. I've got to cut that out from the inside and then weld a patch plate in there. I welded up the hinge.
Bloody booty.
Freed up the handles.
Bloody booty.
Right. So we've fuel tanks back out, and this got sprayed a while ago now. But here, I very stupidly a while cut the clutch cable, hydraulic hydraulic clutch cable, line, and so we're taking the fuel tank out.
Basically what it is, we fucked some shit up and he's had too much drinks and I can't explain that. Basically things been fucked up.
Today we're here in Halfords in Camborne. We've got here with Alex and we've got Aaron and we've got the two geezers here today.
Do you know what we need?
What do we
know what we need? Some professional dickhead cut into the clutch pipe.
Brake caliper key, ball joint separator.
So we now need a flange thing to make new brake pipes.
Fucking hell, it's beyond me now.
So we're looking for him, but he's distracted already.
2 ton.
Now we're in McSalvers in Camborne, like just down the road from Halfords, because Halfords didn't have what we need.
And rods.
He's bent them down pretending he knows what he's doing. I know what I'm doing as well now. Is it whoever gets a look? See, I know what I'm doing more because I'm close to the ground.
This moves like so to open the door from the inside, and originally that was held like that, and then that was basically attached together like that. But as you can see, that's like rusted away and broken. So door won't open inside. We'll cut out a new bit, and we're going to cut off that straight and re-weld it on. Mint. Right, show them what I've done.
What the fuck is that? Welding, Alex?
Shut up. Made a long piece so I can attach it to the door so the door handle works. I hope. Yeah. I've just walked into the boathouse. Mr. Professional Dickhead over here, using my expensive snap-on screwdriver to chisel.
Tarmac.
Look, end full of shit, tar. Look, get off now. He set fire to it with a welder the other day.
I've bought underspray gun for when we sort out the underneath. Paint gun. Brand new.